unboxing not one but two boxes. The first one is going to be the Violet and the other one is going to be a Day Drinking. Now both of these boxes do great work. Now if you've been following me for a while, you would know that the Violet box is like a period subscription box, and for every box that you subscribe, they help a girl in need with proper sanitation and with information and knowledge regarding to periods. And for Day Drinking box, which is a new box in the market, so for every box you subscribe, Day Drinking donates a meal to a kid in need, which again is such a great job. These boxes are not like NGOs. You can see where your money is going because they give in a pamphlet every single time that you get your box. So I'm going to be having all of the prices with the links from where you can like subscribe to these boxes in the bottom bar, so you can go ahead directly subscribe. That will ensure that you do something for the society without explicitly donating money. So yes, I'm going to be unboxing the Violet box first. So this is what the box looks like. It comes in this matte black box as usual, and this time it's been curated by Archana Kochhar and Savvy. Archana Kochhar is a Bollywood designer while Savvy is a magazine. So I'm going to open up the box and show to you guys. So as usual, we have the butter paper right here, and once you open that up, they have the photograph which shows all of the girls that you would have helped in need if you subscribe to the box. Then we have a letter inside which obviously tells you what's inside the box. So I'm just going to directly go and just get inside the box, and I see so many products in this box. So there are two variants. One is period pampering and one period essential. So period pampering ensures that you are pampered throughout your period, and period essential also includes pads, so you don't have to go out and purchase them separately. So I have period pampering box, and I'll go ahead and show you guys all of the things that I have. So the first thing that I can lay my hands on is this Colombian Brew Arabica Bean Instant Coffee. Now I don't think this is a secret by now that I love coffee, and I love it whenever they send in coffee. I've tried a couple of their coffees and I love them. I always finish up their chocolates like after filming. I don't even wait for my periods or my PMS. I just like have them. That's the amount of love I have for chocolates. So yes, this is a Colombian instant coffee, and I am really excited to try this. I love trying out new coffees. Then we have this Christopher Cocoa. It's a 55% dark 4 assorted chocolates. Oh my god. Again, this is gonna get finished as soon as I'm done filming. So I have that. Then we have this body scrub, which is like a really good size. This is how many grams? This is 50 grams, and this is free of mineral oil, DAs, GMO, paraben, SLS, SLES, artificial color, artificial perfume, flattes, they're free of everything bad that you read on the list. And this is like a all natural Ayurvedic indulgence. This is in the variant Panchmeva Skin Polish. I'm really excited to try this out because I'm always very happy when I get to try new all natural things, and this retails for 410 rupees individually, so you are getting a really good size in there. Then we have from the same brand, which is Roots and Herbs by the way, the Nutritive Argan. So this is a facial cleanser, again a very good size. This is also 50 ml and this retails for 430 rupees because again it's free of all things bad and free of good ingredients. So we have that. These two items alone like cover the cost that you're paying for the box if you subscribe for a longer period of time, that is. So yeah, that is really nice. Then lastly we have this moisturizer. This is Pomegranate Kaya Kalp Elixir, and it comes in this packaging right here, and this is for 1490. I love when boxes give you value for money, and when you know that you're getting attached to such a great cause, it's like you feel even better. So this is a really good size again. Like I have to say this for everything. This is again a 50 ml thing, and I can see that we have like a pump inside, like a dropper, not a pump, a dropper inside. So this is going to be like an elixir, which is just like a facial oil sort of. So I'm really excited to try this out. Then we have this bio-organic and natural lavender and bergamot dry shampoo. Oh, this is cute, and with winter's coming up, ain't nobody washing that hair. So yes, we have this. This is a 30-gram sample, but it's a really good size. I'm really excited to try this out because it's organic and natural, and it smells nice. It smells nice. I'm really excited to try this out. And from the same company, that is bio-organic and natural, we have Wild and Creamy Rose Organic Body Wash. This is what it looks like. It's so cute and the color is so pretty. And this again is a 30 ml packaging, but again it's a very nice size. I like the fact that they've given good size. Then we have from Thalgo their Creme Lumiere Melt-in Smoothing Brightening Cream, We have a tiny sample of that. This is a 2 ml sample. I know it's a little tiny, but I really can't ask for more. They've already given so much stuff. I feel that we can just like ignore this fact, but we have like 4 samples from Thalgo, the same size. Then we have the softness exfoliator for dry or sensitive skin. Then we have a creme lumiere, which is a Hydra Marine 24-hour cream. And then we have freshness exfoliator for normal to combination skin. So even if you're not a dry skin person, you know someone, you can give it to that person and you can keep the normal for yourself. They don't have the oily variant, so I don't see how that will be working out. Probably people who have oilier skin will get oily skin variant in this. And that is everything that is in the violet box, and they again have the layer of hay. I actually knew the word hay, but last time I couldn't like really recall it, so I was like Busa. But yeah, we have a layer of hay beneath there. So yeah, that's everything we get in the violet box. Amazing box. I love the fact that it's given so much stuff, and 3 things are like a really good size. So we have the violet done and dusted. Next we're going to move on to the day drinking box. This again is curated by Archana Kochar. So I'm going to open this. This is the first time I'm opening a day drinking box. I think this is the first time they've introduced the day drinking box as well. They have the same butter paper packaging here, so I'm just going to gently open it. And inside we have welcome to the day drinking club, and it says hashtag get drunk. This is what the paper looks like. Next up we have a letter again, which tells you what has been curated and why. And then we have loads and loads and loads of samples. So I'm going to start. We have this Glenburn tea. It is fine Assam and Darjeeling tea. Now again, I'm not a tea person, so I'm going to give it to someone who has tea. And we have 3 samples of the same variant, so we can try it properly. Because sometimes when you drink something for the first time, you're like, I like it, or you don't like it. And then you drink it again and you're like, maybe I like it, or maybe I don't like it. Vice versa, just fit in accordingly. So you have 3 samples, so you can make up your mind that you want to buy it or you don't want to buy it. So we have that. Then we have 3 more samples from the same company of the pure Assam tea. So this was which one? This is pure dark. Ooh! This is pure Darjeeling tea and this is pure Assam tea. So you can choose where you want your tea to be from. Then we have this Exalt tea bag. It is an Exalt masala cha. Not a cha person, but if you are, then this is a good sample pouch. You can easily make 3 to 4 cups of chai from this pouch. And they also have another sample, but this is the adrak chai. So you can choose again which one you want to have, masala or adrak. I have none, so let's move on. Then we have the IndianBean.com's micro lot coffee. Now we're talking coffee here, coffee person here. So yes, again, it's a very good size. Like there's a lot of coffee in there. I don't see how much coffee because they haven't mentioned the amount anywhere, but it's a good size. I can easily make about 5 to 6 cups of coffee from the coffee that they've given. Then we have another Indian Bean coffee. I don't know which variant this is, because it doesn't have any sticker on it. It just has a card from the Indian Bean which says love our coffee, let us know. So I don't know which variant this is sadly, but yeah, we have another coffee pouch. Then we have these 2 coffee bags. One of them is Sunkissed Pulp Dried Coffee and the other is Parama Luxury Blend. This is from the company The Flying Squirrel. That is so cute, by the way. I've seen a flying squirrel once and I named it Super Squirrel. It flew almost like 3 feet from one tree to another. It was actually a jump, but I would like to say flying squirrel. And I was like, super squirrel. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's super cute. It's a 30-gram pack each. So 30 gram, you get 60 gram in total. And yeah, nice sizes. I like that they've given bigger sizes so you can properly try out a thing before like investing in it. Because trust me guys, both tea and coffee are investments because you spend so much time on them, dreaming about them throughout the day that they are investments. Alright, so lastly we have these 2 packets from the brand called Vadam, which is a 100% pure Indian tea brand. So the first one is Maharani Chai, so this is spiced oolong tea. And then we have Darjeeling Premium Summer Organic Black Tea. So we have those 2 things right here. He also mentioned the date of picking the tea, which is really nice. I've never seen anyone do that. So this one was picked in August 2016 as well as this one. So they were picked in August 2016 and they are 10 gram each. So yes, that is everything that I got in my day drinking box, and it also has a layer of hay and everything's falling on me. So, ooh, don't fall on me, please. So yes, even this, everything fell. So even this has a layer of hay. That is again everything I got in my day drinking box, and I really like the box. Sadly, I'm not a tea person, but if you are, you would really enjoy it. And if you're like a tea and a coffee person, then you're gonna love it for sure. But yes, I'm really happy that they've given out generous samples. It's not like just one sample and you're done. Okay, bye, thanks. But they've given out generous samples, and again, the fact that they're associated with such nice deeds that they will be feeding a kid in need is something that has my heart. So yeah, I would highly urge you to go and subscribe to these subscription boxes, because these are the tiny little things that matter that we can do without overly going out of our way and donating something. We can like buy something for ourselves, which will also benefit the society. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed these unboxings, and if you did, then don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Also, don't forget to check out all of my other social media, which would be listed in the bottom bar as usual for you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.